Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Ensure your iPad runs the latest iOS and that you have a fresh backup in iCloud or on a computer. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then choose Sign Out. This removes iCloud data from the device safely. Make sure you know your Apple ID password and any two-factor codes, because the system will request them to turn off activation lock. Do these essentials before changing accounts to avoid data loss. Now, sign in with the iCloud account you intend to use. Go to Settings and tap Sign into your iPad, enter the Apple ID and the 2FA code when prompted. When asked whether to merge local data with iCloud, choose based on what you want to preserve. Merging uploads contacts and calendars, keeping local avoids overriding. After signing in, enable iCloud for photos, contacts, notes, and backup separately so only the services you need sync. Finish by forcing a manual backup and confirming sync across your devices. Open iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now, then check photos, contacts, and notes on another device to verify. Make sure iCloud Drive and Backup are enabled for seamless recovery. If something goes wrong, try signing out, restarting the iPad, and updating iOS. Then sign in again with the correct Apple ID and 2FA. This simple restart plus update often clears activation or sync errors. Only escalate if activation lock persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.